Okay, here we are at the what we're gonna call Garden Nightclub, and it looks like we got a dude showing up here. Zucchini. Unfortunately for Zucchini dude, every chick is kind of dried up and gone home. So, as you know, zucchinis need a male and female flower, and pollination must occur. And when we picked this thing up 2 weeks ago, we had a female. It was about to bloom. And she bloomed for a good 3, 4, 5 days. None of the dudes would wake up. Guess what? Happened twice. So I've got now 1, 2, 3, 4 male flowers blooming like a biatch, and not a single female, except Oldie over here. Oh, wait. Oh, whoa, wait, whoa, whoa. What is that? I believe we have 2 female flowers, including one that seems to have forgotten her petals. It's about to get it on. I believe I'm about to fertilize you. Their private parts are screaming for a little brown chicka bow down action. Oh yeah. I am so in love with you. Anything you want to is alright with me. I want to so true. We're together, loving you forever. It's alright with me. So thank you, Carrie, for the paintbrush, and I promise I'll work on that model at some point. But this male flower, who's definitely not going to be able to do anything with its female counterpart over here, well, buddy, you're going to go ahead and give up some of your goods. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the good stuff. Alright, cue the romantic music. Oh yeah. Be gentle, light strokes, vary your approach. Do not attempt to penetrate too deep. And oh, should have put out the disclaimer that this video may not be suitable for anybody who's averse to plant porn. Hoping this doesn't violate any terms of my probation. Oh yeah, oh, look at that. And if YouTube actually does the automatic English closed captioning for that last bit, it would be brown chicken, brown cow. Brown chicken, brown cow. Repeat. Brown chicken, brown cow, brown chicken, brown cow. Well, she could double as a Seinfeld scene rift. There you have it. Hopefully this becomes a cozy corner and the coffin corner of dead vegetables will produce at least a couple of lucky ladies. Oh yeah.